More news now on the political scene. The opposition PNP has chastised the current MP for Northwest St. Ann, claiming she's missing in action. As Andrea Chisholm reports, the party is gearing up to take back the constituency.
St. Ann Northwest, home to divisions such as Brownstown, Dry Harbour, Sturgetown and Bamboo. The JLP won the constituency in the 2002 and 2007 general elections. The PNP took back the constituencies in the 2011 and 2016 general elections. And for the 2020 general election, the JLP's Crystal Lee won the seat over the PNP's Dr. Dayton Campbell. For the upcoming general election, the PNP will have a new candidate, Senator Gabriela Morris.
Hold on a little bit longer, because help is on the way.
Senator Morris took a swipe at the sitting Member of Parliament, Crystal Lee, who should be seeking her second term in office.
For the past 5 years, you have had somebody who is not a Member of Parliament, but missing in action, missing person. And it is unfair to the people of Northwest St. Ann that they do not have a voice in the Parliament. They do not have an advocate in the Parliament. And that is why I'm here.
Plans to offer transportation and meals to children at school, as well as youth upliftment through agriculture, were also reiterated. In the meantime, opposition leader Mark Goulding continues to take issue with Dennis Chung's appointment at the Financial Investigation Division, again arguing that previous comments by Mr. Chung are biased and he lacks experience in law enforcement.
It is a disgrace. It is a complete undermining of proper governance and democratic principles of transparency and accountability. And we will continue to resist it. And I continue to call on all well-thinking Jamaicans to stand up and let their voices be heard, that this cannot go forward. And I say to Dennis Chung himself, who is somebody I've known for many years, step back from it, Dennis. Clear the air and let the Financial Investigations Division be led by somebody who does not have those issues to deal with, because you are not the right person at this time.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.